In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Beacon.AI for affiliate marketing, and you can actually make a ton of money using this. And the very first thing you're going to want to do is you just need to go onto their website. You can see right here, it's called Beacon.AI. And basically when you're on the site, you can actually log in if you have an account, or we can start for completely free, which is what we want to do. Now, once you've actually done this, you want to basically set your username. You can do your first, that last name, or whatever username is associated with your YouTube channel, or whatever you're trying to use this for. Now, once you've actually done this, you simply want to click on the next option, and you can see right here you can simply claim your username just by signing up with Google or typing in your name, email address, and password that you want to be associated with the account that you're creating. And as you can see right here, once you've actually typed this in, you can basically see it's going to basically give you the survey on why you're actually using this app, and it'll just give you the rundown on how to use this and how you can grow your audience with this. You can basically just choose your avatar right here, it doesn't matter that much, click on next, and basically just fill in these surveys as well as your usernames for these different socials that you may be linking this link tree to basically, which will actually allow us to actually link this to our different socials to create something like this. You can see right here, this one has a ton of different marketing and affiliate links, and basically you can put in your information, sign up for their email list. I'm going to show you how to create all of this. And yeah, it's pretty simple to do, but basically once you put in your usernames and click on next, it'll basically link all of your socials like so. You can disconnect them by disconnecting the check option right here, and once you've done that, you can simply click on next a few times, and it's basically going to automatically set up your affiliate system. And you can see right here, once you've said this is me, it's basically going to continue to ask you a few questions on just get to know you and what you want to create a page for. In this case, I'm trying to advertise and market different websites just to help other creators grow their YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, I basically just used ChatGPT to write my description just for this page, and I'm basically just going to type this in, just copy it, and then basically tell it to actually just create my page. You can see right here, just paste it like so, and you can see right here, it'll basically start creating your page and your prompts like so. And as you can see, it's basically came up with a few different mock models of my YouTube channel. It basically just found my channel. I didn't give it this profile picture. This is the one from my channel. It just searched for it. And basically you can choose the one that you think is most trustworthy or the one that you like the most and feel like would convert the best. Basically, they're all pretty good, and you can use this design, and you can always modify this later, but click on the next option here, and you can see right here you can upload to the plan for monthly or yearly, or you can just skip this for now, which is what I'm going to do, and basically continue skipping unless you want to attach a domain like your website. And basically once you've done this, you can see right here, these are all of the links just on my banner like so. And all you're going to want to do to use this, you can see right here, if you want to add links, you can basically click on add block. You can choose if you want to add a link, a video, an image, a text layout, or social feed, or such as a product that you may be wanting to promote on this page. Now for me, I'm trying to promote a couple different websites and affiliate products. So I'm going to click on affiliate product right here. Click on apply, and you can choose where you want to promote this or which platform it's actually from. And you can see right here, we can click on next a few times. It's basically going to show you how you can actually get this and how you can use this. But the one that you'll probably use most of the time, when you click on add block, you can basically click on the links right here. Click on the classic, and you can see right here, this will just create a link like so. Now if I want to add an extension to promote like Nike, vidIQ, or just another extension, you can basically go to the settings option right here, simply change your title. In this case, I'm going to just call it Nike. Basically you can see right here, I can simply attach my affiliate link right here, which is from a site that I've just added. Basically when you click on add, you can see right here you need to add a title. I recommend making it a unique title that intrigues people to actually click on it and not something like your name / whatever the link is, but you can also do that. And you can also give it a description down here. Now personally, I'm just going to type up a quick description, and you can see right here, now that I've typed this up, you can see it'll just show up on your page like so. And if you want to always change the order, you can take these dots right here and just drag it up and down. You can see right here it's a lot more intriguing and enticing to click on than just all of these basic ones down here, unless you're trying to just draw them in to just click on the link. But you can see right here, you basically do want to do this as intriguing as humanly possible. And basically the best way you can convert is when we click on this, you can see right here, you can actually just click on the share option, this open in a new tab, and you can see right here, it'll basically just display your page as well as how it looks currently without your basic changes. And you can see if we click on any of these websites, it'll basically just link you to the affiliate program. This is the affiliate link that I'm using. And basically when they sign up just on this page, you'll basically get paid out from however the affiliate that you're actually using pays out people. Now, you're not just going to get paid to the Beacon's website, but you are going to get paid out to vidIQ is the example that I'm using. So basically that's all you need to do. And you can add all of these links right here just by clicking on the add link option right here. In doing so, I recommend doing this a lot of times. You can see this is the demo one right here. And basically you can see there's a long description, and if we click on any of them, it basically just takes you to the affiliate site like so. but keep the description short, sweet, and simple. And basically, that's the easiest way to grow and just get conversion rates on this website using affiliate links. You do need to individually sign up for all of the affiliate links if you do want to attach any of them. Usually the more the better, or you can keep it simple and sweet just with a few, just on the front page, so they actually click on them. And they can actually sign up with an email list, which I recommend doing. But that's all you need to do to use Beacons.AI. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like on the video down below, and happy grinding.